Dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Idol Universal School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is a mango without color. So let's start. This one is your first art class of 2022. So dear student, look at the class very carefully and follow my process how to draw a mango. First, you know how to draw a circle. Everyone draw a circle nicely. Okay, and then give a curved line like this and give a curved line, that means looks like a bent moon, and then join from the here. Look and join this. After finishing this, you will erase this line by your eraser. Okay, and then give the mango stem like this and again erase this line. Okay, and then give a leaf like this. First give the leaves vein. Okay, and then look like this and give the leaf, and after then give the subvein. Okay, a lot of students do like this and don't do like this. Look at this, drop vein but give the sunvein like this. This one is wrong. You must give the subvein like this portion. Okay dear student, this is your HW. Also look at this HW number 1. You must write down the class number 1 and HW number 1. And look, a mango without color. You won't color this. Without means not to use color. So this one is only pencil drawing. If you want, you can draw more one, but this one is your HW, and you must submit your HW here. Lecture number 1, you must submit your HW every Saturday 9 am to 1 pm. So dear student, practice more and submit your HW every Saturday 9 am to 1 pm. No more today. Thank you.